All right, here we have a 1929 Chevrolet pickup truck. This is a 1.5 ton truck, and it came into us just the way you see it here at Unique. Very sharp looking old truck. Fires up and runs nice. You'll see that here in a little bit. The truck is all steel, including the fenders. As you can see, it had been repainted or restored in its past. The family brought it in, and we got her spit shined up, and she's looking good, no doubt about that. As I said, this is the 1.5 ton chassis, closed cab truck. The vinyl on the top of the roof there had been replaced and is in good shape as well. And as I mentioned, all steel fenders and everything as well. The wood on the box is in good shape. Didn't see any signs of any rotting or anything like that. I don't see a lot of these trucks running around. The big truck seems like a lot of them got left out in the pastures back in the day, so it's great to see that someone saved this one and made it into what it is today. You can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll take a look at the inside here now. And again, all kind of stock condition. Seats in good shape as well. Didn't see any rips or tears there. Still got the wood steering wheel. And get a look at the gauges. The button on the left there is the choke, and of course the starter is down on the floor. You'd use your foot right there. And of course it is a manual transmission. Here's your wiper, rear view mirror. This does have an outside rear view mirror right there as well. Get you a close up here. The running boards are steel as well. The paint, it's a little bit older repaint. I wouldn't say it's really fresh, but it still shines nice. You can see some imperfections in the fenders and things. There's scratches and things like this kind of on both front fenders, but like I say, it still shines nice and looks pretty darn good. Even the Cloison emblem is in good shape as well. Here you see what I mean, a little bit more on the fenders. And again, as I mentioned, you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are accepted. Financing is available as well. And I tell you what, I'm going to hop in here and we'll get it fired up for you here in just a second. Okay, we're inside. We'll see if we can get this fired up here. Nice. Fires right up. We'll open the hood on the other side. Yeah, runs nice and quiet, smooth. Kind of amazing how quiet it is. Go around back, let you get a listen there as well. There you have it. 1929 Chevrolet 1.5 ton truck for sale at Unique Classic Cars. You can see all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.